Hey you guys, welcome back to the Spark K-Pops. Today we're going to be making this cute but super simple turkey cake pop that you can enjoy with your friends and family. And this is what we need. We're going to get some cake dough and start rolling it to make our shape. And we're going to make like a triangle, rolling it down until we get our shape. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as it has somewhat of a pointy bottom. So here I am just rolling it and kneading it, pushing it down and just patting it so it can be, the little cracks are showing. We want to cover that. And that is what we want. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my K-pop stick and just dip a little bit. And this time we're not going to dip it right in the bottom. It's going to be light, just slightly in the back, just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and let that dry before we dip it. Going to put my K-pop stand, and if you don't have one, it's totally fine for this K-pop. Now you want to go ahead and stir your chocolate. Make sure you have it for 1 minute and then 30 seconds until it's smooth like this. My favorite, honestly, it's chocolate and vanilla because it's just so easy to melt. So once you have your chocolate ready, go ahead and get your K-pop. We're going to go ahead and dip that. I hope you guys are having a great day and hope you have a great Thanksgiving. And we dipped our K-pop. Gonna go ahead and tap the chocolate off. Just tap it off. And if you have any air bubbles, you'll see the little dots. Normally what I do, I get a toothpick, or if you have a pointy tool, you want to go ahead and pop that so you can have a clean K-pop. But with the chocolate and white, it doesn't happen that often. That one I had a little bit, but you could hardly see it, and it went away once I started tapping the rest of the chocolate off. Just clean the K-pop to make it extra clean and presentable. We're going to go ahead and let that dry. And right here I have this mold. We're going to be using that bow right there. I'm using candy melt. If you want to use candy melt, that's perfectly fine. Or if you have fondant, whatever's easier for you. For this project, we're going to be doing candy melt. And then I put it in the freezer for a couple of minutes.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, so I grabbed it from the freezer, and you want to be gentle when you take out the bow. And look how cute that is. We're going to be putting that on the right side of our turkey. And you get your K-pop, and we're going to start putting the little features on our turkey. So we're going to start off with the eyes, and I'm sorry, not the eyes, the bow. So go ahead and use your candy melt as your little glue to put the bow. And I got black candy melt in my Ziploc bag. I heated that up for about 15 to 25 seconds until it got completely melted. And we're going to go ahead and now start the eyes. And you want to have the tip, you want to cut the Ziploc bag super tiny so you can get those small eyes. And it just depends, however you want the little eyes to be. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do the little beak with our yellow candy melt. And if you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. I want to thank everyone that has subscribed and liked and interacted with our first video. I'm very, very thankful. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab our red Ziploc bag. I'm going to go ahead and just do a little hook and fill that in. There you go. It's super, super easy. And we're going to go ahead and use our poppy paint, our white poppy paint. But if you don't have any white poppy paint or poppy paint at all, that's really okay. We can use white candy melt. So whatever you have will work. And I usually get a toothpick. But again, if you have a pointy tool, that works as well. You just want to, because we're going to use that toothpick because they're going to be super small, the lip for the eyes. So you need a little bit, you don't need a lot. And also when you're using poppy paint, you want to work fast because it dries pretty fast. So let's go ahead and add the little feature on the eyes. And the candy melt is a little bit wet, but that's fine. It'll dry up. There's that one. Look how cute it's coming out. And then we have that. You can add one, but I love doing two because it makes it extra cute. Alrighty. So the last touch that I'm going to give this cute turkey is going to be our spray. You don't have to put it, but I love putting it because it makes it so cute when they have that sparkle. I'm going to add some more to the bow. There we go. And look how cute it came out, guys. I love it. The kids love it. Everyone loves it. And it's super simple, like I said. Super simple, and it's cute, but super simple. Okay. There we go. And there you have it. Our cute turkey cake pop. Thank you so much again for watching our channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And also I just want to say thank you again for the ones that are subscribed. It means a lot, and I hope to see you on the next one. Just send me any ideas that you have in the comments below. Bye.